to this globe. Then I was thinking of what is genocide? Our neighbor tried to play some game what Netanyahu was playing with Pakistan. But thanks God, Alhamdulillah, what we are celebrating nowadays, Marka-e-Haq, the brave soldiers of Pakistan under leadership and the government of Pakistan under the leader of Shehbaz Sharif. Not we have defeated them, but we gave them a great lesson. Don't try again. We have our own international affairs and relations. We know the language, what you know. So ladies and gentlemen, I have to say a lot of things, but when I see people like you, ladies and gentlemen, diplomats like you, I am very confident, I'm hopeful that today and tomorrow, all these 2 days, you will work out something very better, and your resolutions and proposals will forward it to the member state of Security Council and those who matters in this world for international affairs. I don't want to name anyone's name, I don't want to quote anyone's name, but I'm sure without a successful international affair or a successful international treaty or a successful international bindings, this globe can't move on. Whether it's climate, whether it's food security, whether it's genocide, whether it's water, those people, they can stop even oxygen for Middle East and for the Gaza. But I'm sure that today or tomorrow, this matter will be resolved and we will live in peace and harmony. And I pray for a great success for this 2 days conference. Once again, I thank you very much, Mrs. Asuma Hassan, to inviting me for this inaugural session.